Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we just finished part one, a really detailed walkthrough of this Ashlyn floor plan at the Aspire. And now we're gonna do part two. We're gonna go into the bedrooms. So this is one of the bedrooms. Wow, okay, look at all the floor to ceiling windows that are here. This is really stunning. It's hard to find a combination like this where the bedrooms have not only have room, but they have floor to ceiling windows and generous ones like this. This is a very, very nice configuration. That's probably I think that's a queen. Yeah, it looks like a queen size. So this is a nice size. I'm gonna walk in the closet. It's a nice walk-in closet for sure. It's definitely got the space that you need, and lots of shelves. So that's bedroom one. Let's go to the bathroom. So there's going to be this is a guest bathroom, just so you can see it. It has lighted mirrors too, and it does have a walk-in shower. I love that the guest bathroom has a walk-in shower. That's very, very nice. We're going to walk into more of the master, and the master is here. So this is very, very nice. Wow, beautiful, beautiful walking into here, because you've got some great floor to ceiling windows, and this is a king. So this is a little bit bigger of a room, very nice size room, and you can see just really crisp, clear white. Wow, this is great. This is a beautiful room. There's plenty of room here too for a dresser or whatever you want to have in here, but love those floor to ceiling windows. There's another walk-in closet that's here, and it does have a lot of shelves. This one has more of these built-in shelves too, like this, the little small ones. So that's really nice. There is another bathroom as well. Now this is kind of a whole suite, a master suite. So in the master suite, you do have these mirrors too, and it looks like this. It's a gorgeous. Wow, I love this. I love the white cabinets here. I love the countertops and just the dual mirrors too. And then look at this tub and shower area. So separated shower area, very big, and then use that tub anytime too. Oh, this is delightful. I love this. Wow, what do you think about this? This is the Ashlyn floor plan at the Aspire. Send me your thoughts on it. Let me know. Just say, hey Grant, I'm looking for that perfect apartment in Houston. This looks really good. This would fit my Houston high-rise apartment needs. But I'd like to ask you some questions on it. Just send me your text on the number below. That'll go straight to me, and we'll get to chatting right away. If you like this, if you like what you're seeing here, go ahead and like this on YouTube. And more importantly, subscribe to our channel. We want to grow our channel and get you more and more content all the time. But I need you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. You're not going to get a waste of time, as far as you're only going to get alerted when we get the newest, best things filmed with our perfect camera that you're seeing here. So go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And now we're going to go see some more floor plans. I think we've got about 2 more we're going to go see.